The line has been drawn. This time, the warning comes from Caracas. Venezuela has just revealed something the world didn't expect. A nationwide deployment of 5,000 Russian-made Igla-S anti-aircraft missiles not stored in bunkers, not held for emergencies. They were already positioned and waiting. And the timing is not random, because while Washington openly discussed the possibility of military action, Caracas answered in a language every global power understands: deterrence. So, what does this really mean for the balance of power in the Americas? Let's get into it. Only a few years ago, the idea of Venezuela sitting on a massive stockpile of advanced Russian missiles would have sounded like speculation. Today, it is official policy. In a statement reported by multiple international outlets, President Nicolás Maduro announced that his government has deployed almost 5,000 Russian-made Igla-S anti-aircraft missiles across the country. This announcement did not emerge in a time of calm. It came as U.S. President Donald Trump publicly stated that he was considering possible military action or intervention inside Venezuela, citing political instability and the long-running confrontation between the two countries. The Igla-S is a man-portable air defense system, meaning it is a shoulder-launched missile system designed to shoot down aircraft and drones at low altitude. These types of systems are light, easy to conceal, and can be distributed widely across national territory. That matters because it makes them extremely difficult to neutralize. You cannot simply bomb a single base or destroy a centralized site to remove the capability. To remove 5,000 shoulder-fired missiles, you would need to neutralize 5,000 different launch points in potentially dense jungles and urban zones. Maduro's announcement was deliberate. It communicated readiness. It said, any unauthorized aircraft entering Venezuelan airspace could face a hidden mobile operator armed with a precision-guided missile. And the Igla-S is not an outdated system. It has seen widespread use in modern conflict zones and has proven its ability to bring down helicopters, surveillance drones, and even low-flying fighter aircraft when employed effectively. The Igla-S, also known by its NATO designation SA-24, is one of Russia's most advanced portable air defense missiles. It features improved guidance over earlier Igla models, with a more sensitive infrared seeker and enhanced countermeasure resistance. This means that aircraft cannot easily defeat it with flares or heat distraction measures. Once locked, the missile tracks the heat signature of the engine and homes in quickly. In conflicts such as those in Syria and Ukraine, Igla-series missiles have proven effective against helicopters, reconnaissance aircraft, and a wide range of drones. They are especially dangerous when used not by lone operators, but by trained teams with coordinated observation networks. When combined with radar spotting or drone surveillance, Igla-S teams can be vectored toward targets with alarming efficiency. To understand the threat clearly, it helps to compare Igla-S to the American equivalent, the FIM-92 Stinger. The Stinger is famous. It has been used by U.S. allies across multiple conflicts, including Afghanistan in the 1980s and, more recently, in Ukraine. It is compact, reliable, and effective against helicopters and drones. The Igla-S is often considered comparable, and in some conditions, stronger in seeker resistance. Both systems are battlefield equalizers. They allow infantry to threaten the air domain directly, without needing large bases or complex radar stations. So when Venezuela says it has deployed 5,000 Igla-S systems, it is effectively saying it has built one of the most extensive distributed low-altitude air denial networks in the Western Hemisphere that changes calculations. However, the Igla-S alone does not create a full air defense shield. It handles low-altitude aircraft. To complete the coverage, Venezuela has reportedly requested new missile and radar systems from Russia, as confirmed by recent reports from independent defense monitors and regional media outlets. Venezuela already possesses several components of a multi-layered defense network. Russia has previously supplied Pantsir S-1, Buk M2E, and S-300VM systems. Together, these provide short, medium, and long-range. Pantsir S-1 combines cannons with missiles and is excellent at intercepting drones and incoming guided munitions. Buk M2E can take on aircraft and cruise missiles at medium ranges, S-300VM targets, ballistic missiles, and high-altitude aircraft, forming a shield around major strategic sites. What Venezuela wants now is the highest tier of surveillance: advanced radar. One of the most advanced radar systems in Russia's arsenal today is the NEBO-M complex. This radar is known for its ability to detect stealth aircraft by using multi-band radar frequencies. NEBO-M was deployed in the Ukraine conflict, where it was used to track NATO-supplied aircraft, drones, and even detect missile launches at extended ranges. It is considered combat-proven, not theoretical. If Venezuela acquires a system like NEBO-M or other Russian long-range radar platforms, the country would gain the ability to detect incoming threats before they even enter the airspace. Combined with Igla-S at the tactical level, Pantsir and Buk for mid-altitude interception, and S-300VM for strategic protection, Venezuela would operate a true layered defense network capable of forcing any adversary to think twice. This is not symbolic weaponry. This is functional deterrence. This deployment is not offensive. Venezuela is not preparing to invade anyone. This is defense signaling. Washington floats the possibility of intervention. Caracas responds by raising the cost of intervention. Russia provides tools that allow that message to be credible. And the more credible the defensive posture becomes, the more cautious the United States must act. Military strategy is rarely about firepower alone. It is about perception, escalation thresholds, and timing. Venezuela's signal is clear. If conflict comes, the sky itself will fight back. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.